They received a protein processor and a proximate processor from the United Nations Industrial Development Organization. The machines are said to help with the analysis of locally produced grains as a way to enhance quality of grains harvested from different parts of the country. Director of Industrial Support Service Kofi Esel says these machines will be of great help in detecting heavy metals among other impurities that may be present in the produce as a result of illegal mining.
And so this is not only going to be used in the area of assessing the quality of prepackaged foods, but we even go into our local market, sample rice from the local markets. Okay, not the ones that are sold in packages in ShopRite and all that, but those who are even using lunka, as we call it, to sell the rice. We can sample from these as well, so that whether they come through us or it is right at the farm gate, we will be able to tell the quality of this rice that consumers are eating. And then so we identify the challenge with stones in our locally produced rice. So what do we do to get our stones? We need a destoner. Okay, you have metal analyzers and metal detectors and what have you on the line. So we'll advise that, okay, those who have the processing lines need to be provided with metal detectors so that if the rice is coming with any metals, they can be taken out of the product and all that. So what have you. Yes, I appreciate the challenge that, that MMC presents to us, because if these water bodies that are going to be used in irrigating our rice farms are polluted, what happens? It means that these heavy metals will eventually get into the soil and the rice will take them up into the product.
Capacity Building Coordinator of UNIDO, David Cow, spoke about sustainability being key in all the projects carried out by UNIDO, and that training in local areas have been undertaken to ensure that grains are of high quality before they reach the market.
Okay, so this project, and in fact, UNIDO, one of our key core principles is sustainability. The project has also done what we call trainer of trainees. So most of the trainings that we did was to give specialized training to members of the institutions along the value chain. And it is the ones that have been given that specialized in training will do what we call cascade training. They will go and train other colleagues and members. So you see that it's a cascading effect or rippler effect. So already the project has put in place mechanism to ensure that all that we do will be sustainable. In connection with the equipment, we make sure that all the equipment that we donate, one, the manufacturers of the equipment themselves, they will come down and do the necessary training to make sure that the users use it well to be able to prolong the lifespan of the equipment.
Emmanuel Koji and Geoffrey Azure's report read to you.